Paddle aims to create a platform that makes it really easy to run and grow a software business.
Typically what people do is they have a payment franking stack and they're using all these different tools to look after their payments and take payments or sort out their taxes or the reporting, whereas Paddle just makes it easy for them. It's all in one place, and it means they've got like a single source of truth when it comes to actually looking at their how everything's performing. So that's kind of how I'd explain it to someone.
We help our customers get paid, really simply. So from the minute one of their customers wants to buy something till that money hits their bank account in a compliant way, we take care of all of that so they don't have to. I think a good metaphor for this is cloud computing. So a while back we all decided that handling servers on premises was not a core competency, and so we decided to move that to the cloud. Same thing for payments infrastructure, and that's what we take care of.
I would describe Paddle as taking care of everything that you don't want to be thinking or taking care of. I mean, even in the finance world, billing and invoicing is a massive focus because you want to get that right. And that's the face that you give out to your customers. We take care of that for you. There's no issue there. You are very concerned generally at the risk of filing taxes. We take care of that for you. And if something does go wrong, you'll never know because we absorbed our responsibility. There is no other company in the world currently that will assume that liability on them, and we are very excited and confident in our product to do so.
The Paddle value prop is really about enabling businesses to focus on their core focus, which is building a product and a go-to-market. As companies scale, they face invisible barriers around getting paid, around ensuring they're compliant, around impacting their margins by investing more on payments, subscriptions, and compliance.
We do for revenue infrastructure what AWS do for tech infrastructure. If you're an entrepreneur, you want to grow a global business, you don't want to get bogged down on the infrastructure around how to take credit cards and how to take payments. You want to focus on your customers, you want to focus on your product, and we take care of everything else. So we're the company that make all those problems go away.